Good morning, regular students. Our running topic is quadratic equations. So from that chapter, I am going to explain some more important questions. So listen well. Is it possible to design a rectangular part of dimensions perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters? Is it possible to design a rectangular part whose perimeter is 80 meters and area is 400 meters square? If it is possible, find the dimensions. Solution. The part is in the shape of rectangle. The part is in the shape of rectangle. What are the dimensions of rectangle? Length and breadth. Length. I am taking length as x meters and breadth as y meters. So I am taking length as x meters, breadth as y meters. So according to given, what is the perimeter here? 80 meters. Perimeter of the part is equal to 80 meters. Perimeter of the part means perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula here? 2 half L plus B is equal to 80. Then after L plus B is equal to 80 by 2 is equal to 40 meters. Is equal to 40 meters. Next, what is the from this what I am writing here? Length is equal to 40 minus B. Okay. Next, what is the area here? 400 meters square. Area is equal to 400 meters square. We know the formula of the area. Length into breadth is equal to 400. Length into breadth is equal to 400. Area of the rectangle, length into breadth is equal to 400. But already from the first equation we know what is the length. 40 minus b into b is equal to 400. Here 40b minus b square is equal to 400. So I am sending to that side. B square minus 40 plus 400 is equal to 0. So what is the quadratic equation here? B square minus 40b plus 400 is equal to 0. To find the length and breadth, you have to find the roots of given quadratic equation. See here, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 40, C is equal to 400. I am going to apply quadratic formula method to find the roots of quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus b means minus of minus 40 plus or minus b square means 40 square minus 4ac means 4 into 1 into 400 by 2a means 2 into 1 is equal to 40 plus or minus under root of 40 square means 1600. Here minus 1600 by 2a means 2 into 1 is equal to 40 plus or minus under root of 0 by 2. It is nothing but 40 by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s are. So what is the value of the breadth here? 20 meters. Then whatever the length is equal 40 minus b is equal 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 meters. So what are the required dimensions? Length is 20 and also breadth is also 20. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother 26 years older than him. The product of their ages. The product of their ages after 3 years. After 3 years will be 360 years. We need to find Rehan's present age. First of all, solution. Let Rohan's present age. So I am taking Rohan's present age as HCS. Next, Rohan's mother. How many years older than him? 26 years. So it is nothing but 26 plus x after 3 years. Rohan's age. So after 3 years means it is x plus 3. And Rohan's mother age. Is equal to 26 plus x plus 3 is equal to 29 plus 3. So after 3 years, Rohan's age will be 6 plus 3 and Rohan's mother age will be 29 plus 3. So as per given. What is the product of their ages? 360 years. It means x plus 3 into 29 plus x is equal to 360. So after 3 years, the product of their ages will be 360 years. So after 3 years, what is the age of Rohan? X plus 3. And what is the age of her mother? 29 plus x. So x plus 3 into 29 plus x is equal to 360. X plus 3 into 29 plus x is equal to 360. So it is x into 29 plus x plus 3 into 29 plus x is equal to 360. 29 into x, 29x plus x into x, x square plus 29 3s are 87 plus 3x is equal to 360. X square plus 31x 32x x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. See here 29 into x 29x x into x x square 29 3 are 3 9s are 27 2 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 87 plus 3 into x 3x plus 3 is equal to 360. Then after x square, see 29x plus 3x 32x. Then after 87 here plus 360 I am transporting to right side, left side of the equation. X square plus 32x, now subtract. Minus 273 is equal to 0. Now A is equal to 1, B is equal to 32 and C is equal to minus 273. I am going to apply quadratic formula method to find the roots of given quadratic equation. X is equal to minus B plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b means minus 32 under root of b square means 32 whole square minus 4ac means 4 into 1 into minus 273 by 2a means 2 into 1. 2a means 2 into 1 minus 32 plus or minus under root of 32 into 32. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, 12. 2 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So it is 1024. Minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. 4 2s are 8. By 2 1s are 2 is equal minus 32 plus or minus under root of 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. 4 3s are 12. 1. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 2116 by 2 1s are 2. X is equal minus 32 plus or minus square root of 2116 by 2. So square root of 2116 is 46 by 2. It is x is equal to minus 32 plus 46 by 2 comma minus 32 plus 46 by 2 minus 46 by 2. So what is the correct answer here? 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So x is equal to what is the answer? 3 is the answer. So Rohan's present age is 3 years. Here minus 32 plus 46. 14 by 2. 2 1s are 270. So x is equal to 7. Rohan's present age is equal to 7 years. So what is the Rohan's present age here? 7 years.